Tesla's $1 trillion dilemma: will shareholders buy in? In a move that has sparked controversy and divided opinions, Tesla is pushing for a bold compensation package for its CEO, Elon Musk, worth a staggering $1 trillion. As the electric car giant gears up for its annual general meeting, AGM, on Thursday, the company has been on an aggressive campaign to convince shareholders that Musk's leadership is invaluable. But here's where it gets controversial. Tesla's strategy includes digital ads and a video featuring board members singing Musk's praises, while Musk himself takes to X, formerly Twitter, to emphasize the potential impact of Tesla's future on civilization. It's a high-stakes game, and the AGM in Austin, Texas, is shaping up to be a referendum on Musk's leadership and his recent political shift. The trillion-dollar man and his mission. The proposed deal is not about a straightforward salary increase. Instead, Tesla wants Musk to raise the company's market value to a mind-boggling $8.5 trillion, a massive leap from its current valuation. Additionally, Musk would need to oversee a significant expansion of Tesla's self-driving, robotaxi fleet, a challenging task given its underwhelming initial launch. If Musk achieves these ambitious goals, along with other benchmarks, he stands to receive 423.7 million new shares, potentially worth nearly $1 trillion. It's a high-risk, high-reward scenario, and Tesla's silence on its strategy to garner shareholder support only adds to the intrigue. A history of pay controversies. This isn't Tesla's first rodeo when it comes to Musk's compensation. Previously, shareholders ratified pay packages worth billions if Musk increased Tesla's market value tenfold. He achieved that milestone, but a Delaware judge rejected the deal in 2024, citing the board's personal and financial entanglement with Musk. The Delaware Supreme Court is currently reviewing that decision, even as Tesla considers an even larger pay package. Professor Dorothy Lund from Columbia Law School describes Tesla's strategy as not normal, adding that the company is far from a poster child for good corporate governance. The board's role, advocacy or oversight? Tesla's argument for the pay package centers on the idea that Musk might leave if shareholders don't approve. The company claims it can't afford to lose him, citing his unique leadership qualities. However, some experts argue that the board's role is to act as a fiduciary for shareholders, not to advocate for a CEO. Matthew Cauchin, an economics professor at Yale School of the Environment, co-authored a study quantifying the recent damage Musk has caused Tesla. He questions whether Musk, with his focus on autonomous cars and humanoid robots, is setting the right course for the company. A divided opinion among key players. Several key decision-makers are unconvinced that the deal represents value for money. Proxy advisors Glass Lewis and Institutional Shareholder Services, ISS, have recommended investors reject the pay package, citing excessiveness and potential dilution of shareholder value. Norway's sovereign wealth fund and the U.S.'s largest public pension fund, CalPERS, have followed suit. New York State Comptroller Thomas DiNapoli has urged investors to reject directors up for re-election, citing a lack of independent oversight and accountability. As some institutions hesitate, Musk may rely more heavily on Tesla's retail investors, who tend to support him. The vote, a historic moment for Tesla. Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas describes Thursday's vote as one of the most important events in Tesla's history, with a distinct possibility that the pay package won't pass. The continued protests against Tesla, months after Musk's controversial role as Donald Trump's government efficiency czar, don't help his cause. Matthew Cauchin believes the damage Musk has done to the brand may be difficult to shake off in the near term. However, others argue that Musk's extraordinary entrepreneurial track record makes it unwise to bet against him, even with such a high stake. The polarizing figure, a billionaire's impact. Jessica Caldwell, head of insights at Edmunds, acknowledges that Musk's larger-than-life personality has driven interest and awareness for his organization. While he has become more polarizing over time, there's still faith in his ability to deliver on bold, unconventional ideas. The trillion-dollar question: what's next for Tesla? As Tesla's shareholders gather for the AGM, the trillion-dollar question remains: will they agree to Musk's proposed compensation package? The outcome could shape the future of the company and potentially impact the course of civilization, as Musk himself suggests. It's a high-stakes decision, and the world is watching.